Man, I say, man, 10 in his toes. I ain't got a brag, ain't got a boast. I ain't made it yet, but then let them boast.
What's up, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Skylyfe Projects. Hope y'all doing good and staying blessed. Well, here we are, you guys, in the new garage, in the new home. Sorry I've been absent for a bit, but moving is honestly a lot to handle. There is so much to complete, especially when you're moving to a bigger home, right? There's just more space, more things to put stuff, you know, a lot more boxes to unpack because we had to move from the storage facility that we were using and also at my mother's home. So thank you, Mom, for having us stay for the time being. You know, I think it was like 2.5, almost 3 months or whatever, but super blessed that you gave us that place to stay instead of my family renting out an Airbnb. So thank you, Mom. If you're watching this video, appreciate you, love you. Anyways, guys, well, welcome back. Here we are, you know, and it is actually raining outside right now, but we are in the new garage, bro. So I'm gonna show you guys that real quick. Here's the car, my Type R. Look at all these boxes that we have to unpack. Love the new LED lighting in here. Super sick, super sick. It's super bright. And this one is actually on a timer right here, and then these two stay on, so that's why that just turned off. But yeah, what I'm going to be doing today is showing you guys the previous video when we were at the Arrowhead Honda car show. It was Deck the Wheels car show, and there was a lot going on there, so I'm going to show you guys that video after this clip. But before I do that, just wanted to say welcome back, everybody. I'm back. Hopefully I could be more consistent with uploads now. Work has been crazy, the move has been crazy, but we got a lot coming up, especially the front end. This whole thing, the Ballad Sports Grill, is just the beginning, you know. Thinking of doing the EVS carbon fiber lip and then a race spread splitter right here, 2 inches out. So it'd be about probably right there, maybe. I'm thinking of doing that, or I was going to do the EVS carbon fiber splitter to match obviously with the EVS front lip. So one of those definitely is going to be happening here on the channel with Skylyfe Projects. Love the new grill. I did order a new Type R emblem, which is going to sit about right here or so. It's going to be cool. It's a screw-on emblem, so hopefully it goes through the holes and stays there secure. I'll keep you guys updated with that. People have been asking, like, just a walk around of the engine bay. Again, you guys, PRL inlet titanium pipe, PRL intake, blitz strut bar, Mishimoto oil catch can. It's Honda tuned on a custom map, running only 91. I do have a Variable Stage 2 coming up, which is a Pro Tune, and yeah, that's going to be glorious. But I also am ordering here real soon the Rampage race map, just trying to recover some funds a little bit from the move. But other than that, yeah, got the HKS front mount intercooler right there. Okay, the PRL hard pipe kit, the intercooler piping kit. Not the HKS, it is PRL, which you guys can see right there. Put the light on. Yeah, there we go. So that's there. Yeah, there's more coming up. I'm going to be doing the APR carbon fiber everything from right here, from the radiator plate to the side plates, all carbon fiber here. These plastic engine covers are going bye-bye. So that's coming up on the channel. Through this little flare in here from Ballad. Shout out to Ballad Sports one time, gave this to me. Appreciate that. Yeah, you guys. So keeping the wheels. Don't know if I'm powder coating them yet. I absolutely love these wheels. I don't know what people have to say about it, but I absolutely love them. They're amazing. Wouldn't change them for the world. Op 7 tail lights. Yes, they are staying. They're not going anywhere. These are probably going to be by Top Motor Top One motors, I think is what they're called. Gonna put that flare there for more air. Also, the fog lights are changing the covers yet again, and we're going to Top One motors. So look out for that, you guys. All right, enough of me talking. Let me show you the clip. Much. What's up, everyone, and welcome back to Skylyfe Projects. Hope y'all doing good and staying blessed. Today is actually a Sunday, and let me show you where we at. Arrowhead Honda, and as I promised you guys, we're at the car show. There is a whole bunch of activities actually. Toys for tots, free Mexican food from some catering Mexican company. Then we have the trophies, which are going on over there where I'm pointing, okay, right over there. All these type bars, which I'm gonna show you guys in just a little bit. But yeah, we are in full effect here. This is an amazing turnout, bro. Like, this is literally the best turnout we've had so far. Sorry about the sun and the lens, but this is literally an amazing turnout. I really am honored to be here, to be real with you, and my car is in this show, so we'll see if it takes home a trophy today. Blessings, right? I don't know why I keep getting the sun here. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna turn the camera around. I'm gonna show you guys what's going on. We're gonna start down the line this way and then work our way up, all right? So, much love, y'all. Hold up. Zachary. Yeah, that's all right. First one we got on the list, SGP. Okay, it's got the green lights. Yeah, those are. All right, SGP in the flesh. Looks like 18 or 19, I believe. Okay, we have a Rally Red, titanium PRO inlet. It does have flex fuel right there. Okay, HVI, obviously turbo blanket. Okay, T37s, of course. Nice drop. Michelin PS4s. Anything going on back here? Okay, exhaust. Looks like, I'm not sure which one it is. Video maybe? Here, alright. Couple Supras and 350s over there. Alright, next one, Championship White. This is my homie Brandon's. And yep, that's sick. I love that R right there, y'all. I think you've seen this one before. That's cool. Love that right there.
Skylyfe Project, man.
What up, bro? How you doing, man? I have no idea. Got another Championship White here, you guys. Nice. It's got a nice lip. I don't know what that lip is, though. I'm not sure what that is.
You want another like
Advan TC4s. Oh yeah, this is Bob's. They got a little anime going on. This is Black Pearl. Looks like it's fully ceramic coated for sure. Definitely looks ceramic coated to me. HVI. Okay, no flex fuel. Oh, it's got the OEM carbon fiber. That's nice. So it must be up here too, right? Yep. Damn, that's sick. Alright. Another Championship White. We got, looks like this one's pretty much chopped together. But here's Barron's on the 19s. There. Alright. He's got the HVI, inlet, Mishimoto oil catch can, Mishimoto coolant reservoir, blood strut bar, a lot of stuff I have. The interior, Nice. Darren's always a major fan on the channel. Big help. A lot of installs. Here's Brent. Obviously, he's like in every freaking video. Everybody's seen his car. This is such a sick one, yeah. This is Dominique's. Actually, let me get back here. Look at this. I'm gonna show you guys the other side. Watch how it flips. Watch. Alright, so this is her beautiful wrap. Yes, this is a girl's car. She has a lot done to it. Flex fuel. Rampage inlet. PRO HDI. 3.5 race map. Rampage.
Like with the teal on this side, because then you can have an opposing side. Mirror cover.
American modified grill. And y'all know my car. Love my car, man. Look at that ballad grill. It is just. I love this grill. I absolutely love this grill. Look at that. That is JDM to the real. Alright, we have more over here. I'm gonna keep going, you guys, so hold up. There's another one. Nice. What was this color called again? I forgot. The only color I always forget. I don't know if it's the meteorite gray? No, I thought it was like, I don't remember. I'll have to think about it. Like sometimes you just have it on the tip of your tongue and you're like, oh,
yeah, that's
man.
the Sonic Hero.
Yeah, that's mine. Yeah. I forgot what this one's called, you guys. Put in the comments. Man, it's nice though. They're so rare, it's like I barely see them. Nice. SCP. Obviously know this color. Nice. Got the DJ over there. Come on, you guys. I still got more to do. We got some bully. Shiba.
Yeah, Shiba. His name's Brayden and he's got them.
Nice. Look at this ceramic coat on this one, yo. Obviously, you can tell it's the ceramic coat. Beautiful. Love it. That's dope. Alright, I'm still going. Try talking to the mic so you guys can hear me. It's loud in here, yo. Loud. Here's another. Not sure what grill that is. I think it's Zachary, right? I don't know. It's a black coral. There's. Hey Logan, what's up, man? You made it, bro.
We're all full. You gotta go home.
Right? You late to the party, bro.
Well, pizza boy. On another way home.
Got Logan's here in the video. He's got the Titan 7, 210s. Alright.
Running like that with the blue and the red all the time, that would be badass.
What else have your headlights? Yeah. What are they now?
What?
What are the headlights now?
Oh, I forgot the name of them. I call them Demon Eyes.
Yeah.
Those are the running ones.
Alright. Back. Got some more. Yo, look at this Audi. Oh my god, is this an RS3? Oh, I think it is. A3. Oh, that was wrong. But that's sick. Look at that crazy paint job, yeah. That's not even a wrap on it. I think it's a paint job. That might be a wrap, yeah. Okay. Ford Focus ST. Right. Another ST. Okay.
That one's got Christmas lights on. Alright. This is Honda SI. Okay. Scat Pack. Supra. ST. CRV. This one is SI, right? That's the same mode. No, it's a Type R. No, SI.
Mine is not.
Yeah, SI. Yep. Super nice. Oh, that's all carbon right there.
Boss is helping me out.
Carbon. Turn on so you guys can see it. It's dope.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's like whenever I rolled up, it was like actually seeing like most of it filmed. The type of cars, like the NSX.
Yeah, they have some cars inside too.
I know that's
right hand drive.
Yeah, took a bunch of pictures of those. I was stoked as fuck. Whose are those? Are those here?
Yeah, people like master. But when I got here literally like
Supras. It's like a Nismo 370. Yeah. Charger. Okay. Like I said, guys, there's a lot of cars here. I really just wanted to show you all the cars. Hope you're enjoying it. Another.
If we can find it.
Scat Pack.
Or should I do stop tech?
I do R1 Thompson.
It's an STI.
Heck are they?
Ford. Okay, S2000s here. Yeah. Jeez. Super sick. Nice. Biggest splitter I've ever seen.
So what'd you find out? What? What'd you find out? Everyone just runs something, right?
RSX Type S. STI Bug Eye, right? 06? I'm right? I'm right. I am right.
I need like that because I didn't have a car.
It's 2000s.
You gotta turn off that car to do that.
Yo, this car show is huge. There's a lot of cars. A lot of interesting cars.
Like, yeah, something's wrong.
Alright. Let me check back to you guys in a little bit. I'm gonna go talk to some more people. I might turn the video on, see what happens. I'm kind of just like up in the air right now. Everything's floating, but much love and blessings, guys. Don't go anywhere. Stay right here, y'all. Crazy, that's crazy.
If I'm gonna stay for the night, could you let me stay until the morning? Wake up by your side, I'll love you right again. If I'm gonna stay for the night.
That's sick. Those lights are dope. Really dope. Like, wow, dope. You know, Black Pearl. He's got the front plate on there. Okay. Another SGP with super speeds on here. Just the CTR, that was dope. Alright, y'all. So here's what's gonna happen, right? There's gonna be judging and everything like that, and that'd be so dope if, you know, Skylyfe Projects took home a trophy, right? But I don't know if my car is ready for it yet. I'm just saying it would be super dope. But hope you guys are doing good. I'm gonna check back here in a little bit, and we might just finish off the video. I want to try to get like the judges and everything, and they have a whole bunch of stuff going on here. So let's see what else is up, and I'll be right back with y'all. All right, y'all. Sorry, yeah, man, my camera died. But anyways, put a battery back in it. I'm actually back at my other crib right now, and yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that like button. Greatly appreciate it. And always, you guys keep moving forward with everything you do. Never hesitate for a damn thing. Don't let anybody tell you can't do something. Always put your best foot forward. Show them you mean business, and get to the bag. Love y'all. Much love. Until next time, Skylyfe Projects.
Team, only things we talk about. Money coming in faster than it's ever been, like Cali. All we do is win. Posted in the valley. Cash moves everything around me. Like a money pool, you see me drowning. System in the trunk, bump bitches like the way it be sounded. Fill my cup up for the one.